So here is a good list to follow for a roofer's top 10 checklist. 1. Safety. Check the work area for any potential hazards such as power lines, unstable surfaces, or extreme weather conditions. Ensure all safety equipment and your tools are in good working condition, accessible, and/or already in place. Always stay hydrated. 2. Material inspection. Verify that all roofing materials are on site, in good condition, and not blocking homeowner access to the establishment. Do an overview for any defects or damages in the materials, as best as possible, that could affect the quality of the installation. 3. Weather forecast. Monitor the weather forecast regularly to plan the roofing job accordingly. 4. Preparation of roof surface. Clean the roof surface of any major debris, dirt, or algae growth if it is not a full removal. Walk the roof as a once-over to see if you notice any imperfections that were not noticed at the pre-inspection. 5. The installation process. Follow manufacturer guidelines and best practices for installing roofing materials. Ensure proper ventilation and insulation for optimal performance and longevity of the roof. 6. Quality control. Everyone should regularly inspect their workmanship throughout the roofing process to maintain quality standards. Address any issues or concerns immediately to prevent further complications. 7. Waterproofing and sealing. Apply waterproofing membranes and sealants as necessary to prevent water infiltration. Pay special attention to vulnerable areas such as flashing, valleys, and roof penetrations. 8. Cleanup and debris removal. Keep the work area clean and organized throughout the roofing project. Dispose of waste materials properly and promptly to maintain a safe environment for you, the worker, and the establishment owner. 9. Final inspection. Conduct a thorough inspection of the completed roof to ensure it meets quality standards and specifications. Address any deficiencies or areas needing touch-ups before concluding the project. Complete them before you leave. 10. And of most importance, customer satisfaction. Communicate with the client throughout the process to address any concerns and keep them informed throughout the job. By following this checklist, roofers can ensure that roofing projects are completed safely, efficiently, and to the satisfaction of their clients. If you have any additions to the list, let us know.